Wacha nisikie fimbo yangu hapo. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we were coming for a matter for Mbijiwe, and the state has come up with some unexplained, a very intelligent explanation, because they are saying they received the file. They can't disclose what is in the file, but they want an inquest, presumably for a person who is missing, presumed dead. So you can see where they are heading. They are actually telling us that the man is not alive, but we want to know who killed him and why. And we want the court has summoned them to come to court next week and give an explanation who was with him last, what was the complaint about him, why did they do whatever they did to him, because this country is governed by the law. This is not a dictatorship. Even dictatorships, people are given a chance. So if we have a situation where you disagree with an individual and because he thinks he has a lot of money, and the money is not everything. Our life is the most important thing you can have, because even the other rights in the Constitution, they protect the life. So the right to life is paramount. So we want to know who killed Mbijiwe and why. Because they want to start an inquest. They cannot start an inquest unless they are aware he's not alive. So without preempting what they are coming to say in court on 16th, we want them to come with that police file and tell us who was the complainant, what were they investigating about, and why has it taken them 4 years to come up with this theory that he is missing. So this country is governed by the law, and we want each and every individual to respect the law. No amount of money or greed can move this country forward, because we can give you the entire Nairobi or the entire Kenya, but what will you do with it alone? It won't help you. You only consume a few tomatoes or just a gram of salt, and that is it. So even if you acquire the entire Kenya and so you cause so much pain to others, what does it assist you? So this greedy, people are driven by greedy because of money to the point of killing. This is a very terrible attitude, and it is not good governance at all. There's nothing to be proud of that you have a heap of money and you can do anything without following the law. This every life counts. I want this mama to get her justice, to know it is very painful. Painful. Because we are parents, we have children, and then somebody comes out and it's terrible. And you are recording it that you are important, you have money. There's nothing in money. There's nothing. Greed will not take us anywhere. And the hatred. So you accumulate, so what? You kill, so what? So I will allow Mama to greet you, and it is very painful to learn that they killed Mbijiwe. Mama, let's get it.
I have no words today to say, but I want to thank God for the media, my counsel, Mr. Ondieki, my family for their support. And I want to address DCI Kinoti, former DCI Kinoti, former governor of Meru, and the other prominent people from Meru who sat down and put false allegations upon my son Mwenda Mbijiwe. If I know, I stand that Mbijiwe is very much alive. And within this Nairobi, they are trying to twist things, but I want to tell them, if I thought they killed my son, God in heaven is watching with them. They are going to pay it very soon. In Jesus' name, thank you.